back to our channel. It's
Mara
and Nessa, and welcome back to our channel. And today we have a very, very, very tasty, delicious, special treat for you guys today. We are going to be making an Oreo milkshake. Let's clap it up for that. Come on. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big, gigantic like, and also comment down below whatever you want, I guess. And also make sure you hit that notification so you'll be notified every single time we make a video. So, without further ado, let's get it. So before we get started with this video, we're going to obviously need blender, ice cream, Oreos. That's what they call it, Oreo Milkshake. Do it.
You're gonna need milk.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we do not have an ice cream scooper,
But that doesn't matter. We still have a spoon. Scoop out the ice cream.
to me, it's literally the same thing. Ice cream scooper and okay, let's open this. Please be on standby.
We're having to. Oh, never mind.
So here's the first ice cream. We're not in music class.
So how much ice cream are you scooping out?
I don't know. As much as it can come out.
I think you guys should break the Oreos up first.
Okay, let's break up Oreos. Let's reverse. Okay, now let's crush up the Oreos first.
So we got double stuffed Oreos and like.
To make them fat and creamy. So we're gonna wash our hands right now before we touch the Oreos because, yeah. We're gonna try to see if we can just break up Oreos and just put them in a blender to see if the blender can handle. Okay, this is the last one.
Oh, I just put them in.
Okay, just break that one up. Okay. Okay, now let's close this.
Turn this
Wait.
on because we don't need to make no mistakes. Power. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it on pulse.
Go, keep going. Keep going. Okay, next we're gonna do is put the ice cream in there. Okay, so I got a huge scoop of ice cream.
Already.
It's cold. Jesus! I guess this ice cream don't want to come out.
Since there's two of us, you're
Neither.
obviously gonna not need only one scoop of ice cream. If it's one of you, I could understand. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, this is the last one.
For real?
For real? Okay, one more then. Make these some humongous scoops of ice cream. Okay, that's enough ice cream. Now let's put this back in the freezer. Okay, so now after we put the ice cream in here already, now we have to put the last ingredient, which is the milk.
So then we're gonna gradually, slowly add this little.
Okay. So we're gonna add if we need more. Okay.
Okay, I'm taking this off of pulse. Let me see here.
Okay, guys. So, we looked at the milkshake, and look at this, it's super watery, and we don't want that. So we're just gonna add some more ice cream and I guess one more Oreo, just in case. Hold on. Put this in here. Go wash that off. Let me wash this off. Hold on. because why not? Go ham with the ice cream.
More? Or no?
One more, just half of a spoon. Okay. I didn't say go Thanksgiving now.
I like it.
All right, that's enough.
It better be.
Now let's blend some more.
So guys, we're done making our milkshake and we have our glasses here and we're about to just pour it in there. We got our straws too. It's gonna be good.
Okay, now hold on. Evenly. So guys, we got our milkshakes done and we're going to taste it.
First
I'm
taste
so
test
excited.
on camera.
I'm so excited. And we got our little straws too. Ready? Okay. It's there right now. Okay, guys, if you're wondering why we don't have any whipped cream on it, because we don't like whipped cream. It's not, it don't taste right to us. So yeah, but it would have looked cool. So if you guys like this video, so go ahead and get your mama to buy all these ingredients.
And please don't forget to share and like this video. Comment down below if you ever made this before or you're about to make it.
Okay, so follow us on our social media, which is, you know, Snapchat, Instagram, and stuff. So it will be listed in the description box down below or across the screen. You might see it here somewhere, I don't know. But anyways, see you in the next video. Peace.